In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export high-quality videos with smaller file sizes in CapCut PC. Start by opening your project in CapCut on your computer. If your footage isn't in the timeline yet, import your video and place it where it belongs. Go ahead and finish your edit just like you normally would. Trim your clips, add transitions, apply color adjustments, and make sure everything looks and sounds the way you want. Once you're happy with the edit, head to the Export button at the upper right corner of the screen to open your export panel. Now let's dial in the settings that keep your video looking crisp without inflating the file size. First, match your resolution to your original footage. If your source is 1080p, export at 1080p. If it's 4K, export 4K. Lowering resolution to save space usually softens detail and can make graphics or text look less sharp, so sticking to the original resolution preserves clarity. Next, choose your codec. For the best compression with the same visual quality, pick H.265, also called HEVC. It typically delivers a noticeably smaller file than H.264 at the same perceived quality. If you need maximum compatibility for older devices or certain platforms, H.264 is a solid second choice. For bitrate, switch to VBR or variable bitrate. This lets CapCut allocate more data to complex scenes and less to simple ones, improving efficiency. As a starting point, use about 6,000 to 10,000 kilobits per second for 1080p, 3,000 to 5,000 for 720p, and 20,000 to 35,000 for 4K. Higher bit rates produce larger files but preserve more detail, which helps with fast motion and fine textures. Lower bit rates reduce the size but can introduce banding or blockiness, especially in dark or highly dynamic scenes. If your project has lots of movement or detailed patterns, lean toward the higher end of the range. Keep your frame rate the same as your original footage. If you shot at 30 frames per second, export at 30. If you shot at 60, export at 60. Changing frame rate after editing can cause motion judder or odd-looking motion blur, so matching it maintains the natural feel of your footage. Finally, set your audio to AAC at 128 kilobits per second or 160 if you want a little extra headroom. These settings keep dialogue and music clean while staying efficient. With these choices in place, your export will maintain the look you worked hard to achieve while keeping file sizes manageable and easy to share.